Welcome everyone to my new video on Injective cryptocurrency price prediction for December 2023 video presentation, looking for discovering what's going on with this amazing crypto out here performing very well. Even during times when the cryptocurrency has seen decreases big time around the corner, we are having certain cryptocurrencies out there that are performing very well, such as Injective, Avalanche, Celestia. These guys have been delivering great time. So we're going to discuss on the price prediction for the last weeks of December 2023 and aim towards a very productive moment. Starting by telling you that we're actually on all-time high for Injective. So we entered into the new phase of the market for Injective, representing the price discovery moment, which is not only great, but as well it is some kind of a risky moment for people that are looking for having highly leveraged trades on Injective because of the liquidity and volatility which can easily take you out. So be careful guys, when we are in a such situation, there is no room for such thing. It has 1,552% for the entire 2023 year as an increase, which is a 15x right there. It is an all-time high portrayed, and we are diving into. Before we touch the base, make sure to check out the other presentations as well. Like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, including the ability for you to see my 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024. Injective will be part of that video series. We have already started. There's already 6 episodes out there that you can watch, and you can see that on the channel as well. So that's pretty much on the topic. For those of you that would like to be part of my trades, we have a no prior fee option, only commission from pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you. We'll also have the monthly fixed fee option, where you handle the process and they are coming out as a signals and you trade it by yourself. Now, the option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission. Commission is paid by you based on performance every 7 days. As well, we have the done for you coaching. We have a complete coaching program, a type of educational system that I'm going to talk about at the end of the video for anyone out there that is serious about this business and it's ready to dive into deep. What's going on with the Injective, guys? Well, we're looking at the 1-day candlesticks, and it's quite impressive that Injective, since the beginning of the year of 2023, has been just exploding back and forth. Honestly speaking, a lot of you were not expecting to see cryptocurrencies from the altcoin sector dominating a year, which for some of the market conditions were still part of the accumulation stage or still part of the late bearish conditions. This crypto right here is out of those pictures. It has been able to sort of a way establish an accumulation stage before 2023, which is something crazy as it looks like, as we haven't seen cryptos in the altcoin sector having accumulations during 2022. Usually they were in 2023, yet this is happening a year before, and it's most likely a crypto which seems to be an advanced situation with a year, and that kind of tells us if this is in advanced shape of a year, it is so great to see that 2024 for the entire market is going to look great. Injective is most likely portraying how are we going to look like for the entire market in the future. Accumulation stage appearing with a year earlier, and then the market is climbing sort of away very, very nicely by confirming the accumulation stage breakout, which has happened around 9th of March 2023, an extremely important level. Breaking above, constructing liquidity, absolutely necessary. This is what I've been speaking about to you guys that will be needed in 2024 for the majority of the altcoins, to construct the liquidity. Of course, we don't want to construct the liquidity for 6, 7, 8 months, as it's quite a lot of the time out there and people lose their patience into the market. We would like to go through the phase a little bit faster. Yeah, an extreme faster situation would not be available. So it's still going to take time to construct liquidity before we touch the all-time highs for the altcoin markets. Now, the breakout out of the major supply located around $10 and finding ourselves into the double digits area, pushing through all the resistances existent from the extensions of the Fibonacci getting stuck at number 2, round number on $19, was the perfect scenario, but not for a long period of time. Markets have retreated in a minor way, and they created a major liquidity zone, ending in a continuous market pump after we successfully crossed the golden pocket and confirmed above the golden pocket, which is happening right there. You see how the markets are trying to come down, they're trying to dip, and the whole thing is being purchased. We only have the wicks, which are the results of the rejection, appearing above the golden pocket. That's a golden pocket coming from the all-time high towards the accumulation stage lowest point. So this golden pocket here is the most meaningful level that we're actually dealing with, aiming and telling us as soon as we find confirmation above it that we're going to continue upwards. The continuation upwards is right now, stuck at number 3 Fibonacci, extension around $28. That's not an issue. We'll have to take those extensions out and see basically that the potential outcome from here is looking very, very good. I'm going to show what kind of levels do we have at a much higher. So we're actually portraying $31, $35, and $40 as soon as the crypto market is going to create an environment which will permit Injective to continue their rally. So right now we're still in a very, very good shape. We have not gotten into the $1 billion volume for the past 24 hours for Injective. It's still under the hundreds of millions of dollars a day. But at the end of the time, there is still room to still push upwards, even though it's not an easy job. Once you have been climbing into the all-time high, you need to consider that the volatility starts to increase. Yet obviously, this is not looking like a top. The way it's right now, it can very easily push to the upcoming 2 levels a Fibonacci, zigzag, and then fly into the 0.618, the blue line at the top, zigzag in between the red and green, and fly to the top, which could be a very, very strong top established in December. So all the 3 targets are going to remain on the table. Definitely not the one we're trading right now and we're being right now, as this is the all-time high. You just entered into the price discovery. No one wants to exit, no one wants to short, everyone is jumping on board in terms of the greedy people. The ones that are actually portraying some very well-educated trading on minor time frames, they are having the ability still to make some money out of this cryptocurrency. One thing that I'm going to tell you guys is that trading above an all-time high is needing specific skills, specific strategies, and a very, very specific technical analysis applied. When you are the only guy out here amongst the top altcoins that is part of an all-time high movement, you need to consider that the environment of the space is not a price discovery, and this is an exception. So it has to be considered and treated accordingly with that, which means, again, very specific things. Beautiful. That's where we are. This is the current scenario, and we are definitely not in a bad shape of continuation. Whatever pullback might happen, we're gonna have supports appearing from the extensions that will act as a very, very strong demand levels. The previous extensions we just had, you can scroll back to the video, you can look before, you will have the ability to see the 0.618 supporting very, very well, and that is going to be a great level for us to deal with. Beautiful. That's it on the Injective side. Once again, if you enjoyed this videos, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let me know your thoughts, your predictions in the comments area. Don't forget that Injective will be part of the 100 video series and episodes of price predictions for 2024, so you want to watch that as well. In the meantime, if you want to be part of my trades and my close community trades, no prior fee, only commission from pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading, or based on a monthly fixed fee where you execute the signals and handle the complete process, right? So this is something that you guys should consider on the topic, as well as you will be able to see all the details on my page and qualify for a free conversation with me to find out more, including the coaching program, which I'd like to describe for those of you that are serious about this business. And it's been around, for the last couple of years in the market, or you might be a beginner, it doesn't matter. The idea is that we are actually preparing for a serious market activity on the bull market. So we'll still have time during 2024 to execute our high level of knowledge and skills to perform on the markets correctly, which means that this live coaching is taking you through the whole steps of what is needed to become a trader, from the mental psychology into the technical analysis, by sharing with you my screen, presenting you how to do the technical, making sure you have the strategies, indicators needed to understand the market, actually the ones that are working. Because there's ways people find this is the way trading works, this is the way trading produces results. And then this is what is happening over the years, and that's what you repeat and apply. So that's how it is, guys. And then we have basically the live trading part, where you have to start trading in the program, including the ability for the lessons to be recorded and you can rewatch them afterwards. Homework exercises will always be between lessons, and it's a very comprehensive program. Find out more through the video and register now for a quick conversation with me when I can explain you the details. Have a good time, guys. We'll talk to you soon.